What's up, guys? Welcome on my YouTube channel, and today it's another beautiful day, and I'm going to be breaking down another trade that I took last Friday after NFP on US30. And this trade, guys, was crazy, and we're actually on a drawdown on one of our funded account, which is a 25k, and we managed to bounce back and recover all the losses that we made. And yeah, man, I'm going to be breaking this US30 trade down, and I'm also gonna show you like all the proof. Like you can see, this is how we've been trading, holding the trade, and all the way we up to the time we made somewhere around 1000 US dollars, and we were good. So yeah, let's watch this video to the end. And if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button, and yeah, man, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let's do it. What's up, guys? Now we are on the chart, and now we are on US30. And yeah, let's see how US30 look like on a 4 hour. And remember, guys, I entered this trade soon after NFP. And trust me, guys, I've actually been doing this thing for quite some time, whereby I normally like wait for NFP to shoot up, because like trading NFP on a funded account is crazy. You can't just like risk it all, because US30 like can be crazy, can take any direction. So we don't want you guys to lose money. I don't personally want to lose money, because I've actually lost a funded account during NFP, and I don't want that to happen again. So you can actually see like the first candle was the first bullish candle for NFP, and then the second candle was the one that actually took a trade. Okay, so let's move forward. Just like only 1 minute, only 1 hour. This is how a 1 hour looked like, just like that. And this is where exactly I exited. And not only that, I also want to show you exactly like how everything started. So this is like how the trade was. Oh, don't worry, guys. This is like a funded account, so don't be surprised with the huge amount of money. Yeah, so was me in the trade, blah blah blah. And this is another screenshot whilst I was holding the trade. And this is another trade whilst we were in the trade. And this is another screenshot when we were about to hit TP. So you can actually see, guys, we were about to hit TP, right? And another one is this one, almost hitting TP. We were just right there. And this is exactly where I closed. And yeah, man, I literally closed exactly at this price. And yeah, man, let's get back to the charts. And I want to show you exactly how I was able to take this trade. Guys, remember, this is like no first time me trading after your NFP. I usually like do this, and I've already made a video about this. So yeah, this is the video that I made. Make sure you watch it, because there's pretty much a lot, and I also put a link in the description below so that you guys can actually check that video. And apart from that, yeah, let's get started. So NFP, it actually like NFP is not new. We all know that NFP is one of the is non-farm payroll, where news is released each and every first week of a month, and each and every first week of a month. And what, and it's released particularly on Friday. And once the news is released, guys, it's always crazy. Like, it's always crazy. Like, you see very crazy movements like this, da, da, like that. And like, after the news has been released, I don't take entry. I just wait up until what I do is I just mark like some of the areas where I would be expecting price to come and trade to 1, 2, 3, and then that's where I'll be looking for buy. So it's actually like automatic, more especially when NFP is released. The news is gonna be pop up like at exactly at 15:30, and then after that, you see that the market is exhausting. Just like right now, the market got exhausted, and at half past 4, that's when I come back. Normally, it's the market always take the opposite direction of the US. In most cases, it always take the opposite direction, but not always. But I can say normally. Okay, so this is how I actually anticipated. In the first place, I needed to identify an area where price might be reversing to the upside. So right here, you can see we're having an FVG, and this FVG is where actually price just came and tapped inside there. This is not exactly where I entered. I'll actually show you where I entered. If you're new on my channel, pay attention. If you're not new on my channel, because I'm gonna explain something that I've already said before. So this is exactly what I did. I normally go on a 1 minute time frame. That's where I actually look for my sales. I don't enter a trade if it's not a 1 minute time frame, because I'm more comfortable entering on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, so this is exactly what happened. And let's come on now. 1 minute. All right. So on my 1 minute, this is actually what I did. Let me just do 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I marked this low. And to me, when I see this kind of low, I know it's a what? It's a liquidity grab, right? So it being a liquidity grab, I know that most of the times price is actually going to go upside and then grab liquidity. So I've also introduced something that is already that thing has already been there, but I've started like practicing it over and over again, whereby I'm looking at areas where price has traded a lot. So I can say I'm seeing this area, this area, this area, price just trading this area. Like you see, it's making pauses around this area, coming over and over again in this area. So it's always I'm actually using this technique in order like to identify psychological zones or area of interest is. So in this case, this is like my area of interest. The reason why I'm actually picking this area is because I've seen that price is just like going up, coming in this area, coming in this area, and it's telling me something. And what is it telling me? It's telling me that this is like one of the key zone, one of the key areas, or one of the key zones, or one of the key areas where price is actually like likely to what? To take a movement. So the first thing that I need to figure out is like, when I'm drawing my key zone, where is the price at the moment? If price is above, I just know that, oh, okay, fine. Let me if price is above, I just know that, okay, fine. What I'm gonna do is that price is likely just to go up and then come down like this. Okay. Yeah, price is gonna go up and then come down, and then I'm in, and then just like that. But if the time I'm doing this, price is actually down there, I'm not gonna take a buy. I'm not gonna take a sell. Why? Because on my on my overall bias, I'm actually looking for buys. So it tells me that it's not yet time to look for buys. But then in this particular scenario, seeing price trading at this particular area over and over again, it's like a signal to me saying, okay, fine, we're gonna be buying. What am I gonna do? So I actually did this. I entered the first trade right there, and it was pretty amazing. And let me show you. You can actually see right there. This is where I entered my first trade with the 0.51 right there. And then I added another one right here. So let's get back to our charts. Yeah, so you can actually see I entered one trade somewhere here, and then I added another one right here, because I knew that now we have actually broken above this high, and then we started like pushing to the upside. So from that time, I didn't add any trade, because I only added like in total I was like in 0.6.1 uh lot sizes. Okay, so I actually hold this trade for the first time. I mean, not for the first time, but actually hold this trade all the way to the upside. I was actually moving my stop loss firstly to this level, and then when the price pushed up, I didn't move my stop loss anymore. I just waited for price to come and hit my area. And you can actually see, guys, this was crazy. You see the TP, blah blah blah. Yeah, so I actually closed in this area, and guys, it was a very good beautiful trade. And we actually closed with some good amounts of money on my funded account. And yeah, this was like so huge, guys, and I'm super excited about it. And yeah, this is exactly what I did. I actually have quite a very simple trading model. What you just need is just to make sure that you actually are confident with your strategy. Don't stop jumping from strategy to strategy. Because what I've also realized is that the minute you get so confident and with your strategy, everything becomes like easier. You don't have to do 1, 2, 3, bring the Fibonacci, the what indicators whatsoever, or maybe study like 100 books in order to get it right. Just have that one setup that you think that this one is really good, and it actually repeats itself each and every day. Like this setup repeats itself over and over again, and that's why I'm confident trading this type of setup. The rest is just about your mentality and how you're able to approach these setups. What's good, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's exactly what we did. And if you also try to replicate the same, I guess you'll be able to make money in the forex markets. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.